Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Frank and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can integrate your reviews from Google to your WordPress Elementor website. So very quickly I'll be showing you on how to go about it. And the first thing you do, you log into your WordPress dashboard. So this is my WordPress dashboard, and on the left hand panel, you see some libraries. So you scroll down to plugins. So you'll be installing a new plugin. So you click on add new and you search for widgets for Google. Now you can see the first plugin here, widget for Google reviews, and you can see what is written here. Embed Google reviews fast and easily to your WordPress site. Increase SEO trust and sales using Google reviews. You can see by trust index and over 600,000 active installation. And you can see when it was last updated, which is 4 weeks ago. So this plugin allows you to embed your Google reviews to your WordPress website. So you click on install now. Okay, once installed, you need to activate it. Okay, now we are all done. So the next thing we'll be doing now is to connect our Google. That is our Google review page. So what you just have to do, click on this connect. It's going to load up a page. Okay, now we are asked to type in our business name or location, place ID or Google Map. So I'll be showing you how you're going to do that now. So you just have to minimize this and I go on Google, and so I'll be using this my client's Google's page website. So this is her website. She's into cleaning and all that. So what you do, you click on the map here. Okay, so here's the map and you can see the URL. You just have to copy this URL here. And once you copied it, you go back to the plugin page. So that URL that you copied, you paste it here and it's going to load up. As you can see, the page is here, Easy Clean Services. So you click on connect. So as you can see, it's connected to Google. So what we have to do is to choose the layout. So you kind of choose the layout you like. You can see slider one, it slides automatically. So you can see this slider two was popular. You can see excellent based on 6 reviews. So this client currently has 6 reviews. So you can see slider three, they are just different kind of format. Or you can see slider four, slider five. Well, I kind of like this one, so I'm gonna be using this one here because I just like the layout and how it is positioned. So I'll click on select. Okay, so once we've selected our layout, so the next thing is for us to choose the style. You can see this one has a light background. You can see the background here is light. Then we can see this light background with trust index verified was popular. So people commonly use this. So you can see verified by trust index. This build more credibility and trust. Then we have light border. You can see the border is light border. Then drop shadow. You can see there's kind of a shadow on the padding area. Then with this minimal, okay. Then we have soft. Then we also have light contrast. Then we have dark background. So you can see this. Well, most people like this, but depending on the layout of your website, you can decide to choose it's going to be a dark background or a light one. Okay, so I'll be going with this one here because I kind of like this some verified by trust index. So I'll click on select. Okay, so next thing we'll do, we'll then set up the widgets. Okay, so the style we want, which is style 1. So I just want to leave this like this. Filter your ratings. So we want to show all the ratings. You can choose to okay stars only. Then the language, you can see different type of languages here, Netherlands, English. So I just want to stick with English here. Then the date format, you can choose okay. If the year comes first, dates, then the day. So I don't want this, I want this. So the day comes first, then the month and the year. Okay, so the review tests read more, so I'll just leave this like this. So at the right hand settings, we have the hide review that comment, show minimum review that then show verify review icon, show navigation arrows, show reviewer speech profile picture. You can see this, I think we have to upgrade something like that. Then enable master. So I'll just leave up these default settings. So once we're done, you can choose to change of these if you want. Then once we are done, we want to click on save and get code. So it's going to give us a code that we can then embed on the particular section we want to use on want to integrate on a page of our WordPress website. So here is the code. So it's going to be a short code. So what we'll do now, we'll copy this code. So once you copy this code, you go to the page you want to use this code. You want to integrate the review on. So I head over to pages and it's going to be my home page. So this is the home page. This is the home page of the Elementor website. So click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so we are here. So you scroll down to where you want to display the testimonial and Google reviews. So it's gonna be so I want to display it here. I don't want the default Elementor review, so I want to display the Google reviews. So I will just get rid of this. So I'll delete this. So what I want to do now is to search for shortcode. So you can see, so this shortcode we allow us to embed the code the plugin gave us. So at the left hand side of your Elementor dashboard, you can see the shortcode and a section where you can enter the code. So what you want to do now is the code you copied, you paste it here. So as you can see, our reviews are showing. So that is a good way for you to, you know, embed the Google review to your particular section of your page, either the home page or any page or testimonial page. So everything works fine. So once you are done, you click on publish. Okay, now so let's visit our website. So you want to click on the view live preview. So it's gonna load up, and here it is. So scroll down to the page, the site section here, the review is being displayed. So as you can see, here is the Google reviews. Everything is looking good, and so that is how you can embed your review from Google on your WordPress Elementor website. Thanks guys for watching, and if you like this video, kindly give it a like and also subscribe to my channel, as I'll be dropping updates relating to WordPress and quick fixes relating to WordPress. Thank you.